I'm going to pull the fire alarm at my school and make everyone go insane. Now I'm going to run from the school.
Hey Dora. Why are you home so early?
Hi, welcome to GNN News. Our top story today is that the school's fire alarm went off without a fire. People are saying it's a prank done by a little girl with a pink shirt, orange shorts, white shoes, and brown hair. Does anyone know if it's true? Well, I was making grounded videos out of Dora, but suddenly, I heard loud noises coming from the school, and I saw Dora running from the school. Wait a minute. I think it really was Dora. Dora, if you watch this, you should be ashamed of yourself for what you did. I hope you get grounded by your parents. That little girl deserves to get grounded. Anyways, that's all the time we have for now. Tune in after a short break from the news.
Oh. How dare you put a fire alarm when there's no fire? You know you can get you arrested.
Did you know that false pulling the alarm will get you in trouble?
Also, principal set off fire alarm for days when there's no fire, and you're not allowed to do that.
You are grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These. Go to your room now.